In this video, I'm just going to introduce to you this bench grinder. It's from, I believe, just my quick looking online, from the mid to late 60s. I've seen some of them that look the same. That somebody mentioned is from 1966. Others said 1968. So safe to say late 60s, mid to late 60s, I think. I'll let you know more, of course, if I find out. But it's actually been sitting in my garage, or rather in my shed, non-air controlled or anything like that, for about 19 years when I moved into that house. And this bench grinder was actually my grandfather's. I never used it, I've never touched it, I just kind of kept it around with me, thinking one day I'll actually use it, and maybe actually I will use it now. It is a Craftsman brand. It is a, says Sears Roebuck & Co. Design C2371. Model 397.19580, and that's how I found some of the information on it. It says it's a 3450 RPM, 1/3 horsepower motor. Now today we're actually going to see if this thing actually works. I'm just going to simply plug it in, hit the switch, see if it turns on. I have no idea what's going to happen, of course, and if it does work, I might actually use it a little bit, because I recently bought a lawnmower, used lawnmower, and I kind of need to sharpen the blade. It's extremely dull, so if it does work, maybe I'll actually use it before I do a restoration on it. Let's plug it in and see if it works. Now, unfortunately, I don't have a cord right here, so we have to move it over to the one place I do have a outlet. All right, here we go. This is pretty exciting. This has been the first time this has been on, at least for 20 years, if it comes on. Let's see. Wow, it actually works. That actually scared me a little bit. Wow, I can't believe that worked. That actually scared me. I was afraid like the grinding wheel was gonna fly apart and hit me or something. I don't know. That was pretty cool. That seems kind of scary. I don't know why. Maybe because the side is open and it looks like there used to be a plate here that's not here. Also, the other side is the same. So I don't know if I have the guts to actually use it now. I don't know, it seems scary. Maybe I'll just leave it on for a while. I can't believe even the light bulb worked. I'm just gonna leave it on for a while, I guess, and just make sure like nothing happens. And I'll try to sharpen my blade. Pretty cool. Well, I just got done sharpening the blade, and well, the blade is sharp, and the grinder seems to work really nice. After about a minute of using it, I wasn't even afraid of it anymore. So I'm still going to do a restoration on it, so stay tuned for that. It'll be an upcoming video. I don't know when, but it definitely will. So with that, thanks for watching this video. See you guys next time. Bye.